The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these bushes down because it hides the house and put up some nice landscaping. Curb appeal is so important.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record, for the record. Been a little too nice to y'all, now I gotta up price so y'all.
Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. Hey, we have just closed on this property and we are in the process of going to do a walkthrough. I can get my sign out the yard there. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna get these bushes down because it hides the house and put up some nice landscaping. Curb appeal is so important. As you can see, we got a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. Clean up, clean up, clean up begins. Oh my God, it's so atrocious in here. Then let me show this to you. Some things you see. You see that? Ew. Super nasty. How people live. What's in there? Ew. Ready for clean out. Ready for clean out. Ready for clean out.
Yeah, I got my scholarship my junior year.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. I'm a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it.
Water leak in here. The water won't turn off. I tried to put the hot water thing onto it. It's not working. So we need to get that taken care of so we don't have a $300-400 water bill. Some of the ceiling fell down. Ew. Who would put a ceiling up there like that and then that little ugly light? For some odd reason, they did not lower the ceiling, so I just took all it down. We're getting ready to crack this up here and get this bathroom done. Strong man. Real strong man. I did the little work and he got the big work.
I don't have my protectors on.
You have my protectors on. Who would
Yeah. I need some stuff on before I turn all this off. That's something.
love gut clean outs. Boy, it's tough. You just So this renovation is taking hold very good. Got that fireplace removed there and putting in an extra bedroom. 3 bedrooms sell way better than quicker actually in my market than 2 bedrooms. So as you can see, we've already did the construction of that. That old fireplace has come out. It was really ugly. I don't know why it was in the kitchen or dining room, but yeah, so really great process. Putting the 4x4s up there, making that a closet. On the other bedroom, this was a closet over here. It didn't make much sense to have a 2 closets in here because that closet is pretty big. So we're going to take this closet here and put it on the other side. Rehabbing is so much fun, but I'm glad that old, ugly, dated fireplace. And we're going to put some drywall up here on the wall. We've already taken it down. Next thing we're going to do is take those cabinets out, all those cabinets, so that we can install a brand new beautiful kitchen. The guy just left for the windows. We're getting all new windows around the front of the house because they were bad, and there's a patio outside too that he's going to redo as well. So yay, work in progress. Rehab.
Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. Got out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit recorded. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no swinging the miss, got me hitting these licks. I get the orders, don't get it.
So we had a little mishap. Somebody tried to come through. We had to secure the property. Unfortunately, when people see you working on homes, they think something up in here. Next time you come up in here, we got something for you. Don't play like that. But progress is beginning, as you can see. Hard work. Decided to come to IKEA to see what type of kitchens and lighting fixtures they have in stock. So we like this kitchen here. It's gray. It's really modern, and I think we'll get a lot of bang for our buck by making the colored cabinets. He wants white. I like those lights up there too. Really nice. I love different things. I love something that is not traditional, something that will catch the eye of the buyer. I guess being a realtor, I know what people like. And this is something too that is just very different. Lighting is so important when you are redoing a home. Even if you're putting it up for sale, I always advise my clients to get some lights that pop, that are really nice. This here kitchen is very nice as well. And as you can see, the white cabinets, it just makes it so much brighter. So I think we'll probably go with white and add a few things here out of IKEA that just make it stand out. I just always love how they put things together here. Here's another nice kitchen space. Everything is just so beautiful. The darker cabinets make it look warm and cozy. These darker cabinets here, this is a little too traditional for me. In our market, nice updated rehab homes with bright kitchens pretty much sell faster. I love the glass. We might do something like that as well. Just making it different, making it appealing to that first-time home buyer or that person that wants to upgrade. That price right there is pretty good. bathrooms. We're doing all the bathrooms as well. So we're in here looking at nice new updated bathrooms. We got to do the floor, got to add different things. Here's a closet that I found very appealing. This is a little bigger than what we have there, but it still adds some nice accents with the doors. So we'll see. We got to budget and make sure we come in under budget so that we can make this a profitable endeavor. Hello, that's me. Yes, another nice kitchen, not a nice cabinet area, closets. Closets sell homes. I don't know. As a woman, I love to have that extra space to put all my nice things in. And this bathroom here, I thought it was super cute too. Hubby didn't like it, but I did. So after a long, hard day of rehabbing and going to look at some things for the property, we decided to have a business meeting, sit down and have some good dinner. This kale Caesar salad was delicious. And the pizza was good too. We just go over our budget, things that happened today, things that we can do better, and just try to make sure that we stay on task. But overall, it was an absolutely fabulous day. Oh, and that beer was good too.